So we're going to create outline on this cylinder and outline on this cube. And just to tell you, this method works when you render the image. When you are on viewport, you won't see it. So it's for render. Once you render the image, you're gonna see the outline. So there are different methods, but right now I'm showing this one method. Once you have your object, you're gonna go to this render properties and go down. You have this option called Freestyle. Check the Freestyle option, and once you do that, you're done. Just go to render image, wait for a while. Okay, you already have this outline or stroke, whatever you call it. And if you go here on Freestyle, you have this option called line thickness. Right now it's 1 pixel. If you do 3 pixel and press enter, now if you go to render image, you'll see the lines are huge, thick. Okay, so you can make this kind of outline in Blender with this method. If you want to go further and explore this freestyle thing, you can go to view layer properties and go down here, freestyle. Okay, or you can go down here, yeah, edge type, silhouette, crease, border. By default these three are checked, so you want to keep them as they are. If you uncheck them, you might not get the result. I mean, you won't get that outline. Okay, so yeah, don't uncheck this, especially this silhouette. Don't uncheck. If you uncheck, it's not gonna show you the outline. So I uncheck the silhouette, go to render image. So it's gonna show some part, but some part are not shown. Okay, so yeah, similarly, if you uncheck the crease, let's see what happens. See this part here on cylinder, the top part and the top part of the cube, it's not shown. Let's uncheck the border and go to render image. Right now it's not showing any changes, but in some other scenarios it might affect the result. So keep these three checked and just check this freestyle option in render properties. That's gonna give you this result. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.